So now it's still booting. I had chosen the standard option. What worried me for a minute was that now you'll see that the light is orange and there is no signal, there is no output, video output going into the monitor. And I actually tried rebooting it a couple of times, thought that it was a power supply issue. I actually reinstalled the entire 3.2 gigabyte raw image onto the Raspberry Pi. Lo and behold, it turns out it was a matter of time. So with a little bit of patience, you will see the screen back on. There we go. You see the green light right there? And you would actually start seeing some display on the screen. And that's the standard display. I turned the object tracking on again so that we can see the screen. At the initial time, the ID is root and the password is Linux. So you can just follow the steps from the OpenSuse website wherein they talk about the ARM installation. And I love this bulb actually. It just looks fantastic. Let us see what we come up with. The installation process should start shortly. Well, it turns out we are stuck over here, so I'm going to try rebooting and we will start the installation process again. So this time we will select the advanced options and let me just try the default boot from here and let's see what happens. In the meantime, let's take a look outside, and that's Buddy. And we actually have this cage for the monkeys, and it's been raining and it's a beautiful evening right now. We'll be heading out for a walk as soon as the installation is done, Buddy. Is that right? So we got the login screen again, and again I will try and enter the password, hit enter, and now let's see what happens next. There we go. So this time we did get the installation process to start, and as you can see there are multiple languages. I'll just choose English for now. Someday I aim to do the entire installation in Hindi. So I'll just go with the standard one for now. I'm not really sure what the different options are. I have not tried them yet, and so we'll just go with the standard option. Let us assume that those who work on the development, they know what they're doing with the Raspberry Pi specs. I like this overall. We can go with 1.5 tile, just so that's good. Whenever mouse enters a window, that's good enough. Default mouse bindings, which is fine. I'm just going with all the default settings for now. And there goes some magic happening there, and we will wait. It does take a bit of a time, this installation, so we'll just have to be patient till then. And I'll also try and figure out how to change the autofocus mode for my cell phone camera, which is really throwing things out of focus here for some time.